In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budgets in Xero, 5 minutes. First, open the Xero login page and sign in. Click Login, enter your usual credentials, and complete any security check if prompted. After a moment, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Reporting. If the budgeting tools aren't immediately visible, choose All Reports to see the full list. Find Budget Manager and open it. This is where you create, edit, and track budgets by account, all in one place. At the top, open the Select Budget menu and choose the option to add a new budget. Give your budget a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. Think along the lines of Operating Budget FY or Marketing Q1. Click Save to create your new budget. Next, set the time frame. Adjust the start date to the month you want the budget to begin. Select the number of months you want to include, then click Update. The budget grid will refresh to match the date range you've chosen, which keeps your totals aligned with the reporting period you'll use. Now it's time to enter amounts. You can type values directly into the cells for each account and month if you know the figures. To speed things up, use the small green arrow next to a line to open quick fill options. In that panel, you can enter a simple formula to spread a total evenly, set a consistent monthly amount, or apply a percentage change across the period. Click Apply and Xero will populate the months automatically. You can still fine-tune any individual cell after the fill if something needs adjusting. As you work, sanity check your numbers. Compare major lines like revenue, cost of sales, and payroll to prior periods outside this screen, and reflect any seasonal patterns or known commitments. If something feels high or low, refine it now so your budget serves as a realistic plan. When everything looks right, click Save. Your budget is now ready for reporting, which means you can run budget versus actual reports from the reporting area to monitor performance throughout the year. You can always return to Budget Manager to update assumptions as things change. Just remember to save each time. If you manage multiple scenarios, repeat this process to create versions like Conservative or Stretch, and switch between them from the Select Budget menu. Keeping names and dates consistent with your financial year will make comparisons clear and reporting easier. That's it. Your Xero budget is created, time-framed, filled, and saved. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.